Welcome to today's video, where we explore one of the foundational aspects of social science research, theory building and evaluation. Understanding how to create and assess theories isn't just for academics. It's critical for anyone looking to understand patterns in behavior, predict outcomes, and generate meaningful insights. Today, we'll be diving deep into Chapter 9 of Shoemaker, Tankard, and Lasorsa's work on building and evaluating theories. The importance of theory. We start with a question: why do we need theories? In this chapter, Pamela Shoemaker, James Tankard, Dominic Lasorsa explain that theory is the cornerstone of research. It helps summarize knowledge, allows for practical applications, and guides the research process itself. Theories are like maps. They condense complex information into something useful and understandable. This is critical when trying to make sense of the world around us. Without theory, research becomes fragmented, like individual bricks lying around with no plan to build anything bigger. Theory building is the process of placing those bricks together, helping us understand larger patterns and solve real-world problems. Theoretical research. One of the pitfalls the authors highlight is what they call theoretical research. This type of research might predict outcomes, but it doesn't explain why or how these outcomes occur. Studies like these often insert random variables into an analysis, hoping something will stick without any theoretical foundation to tie the findings together. Shoemaker, Tankard, and Lasorsa argue that this kind of research can be useful in certain cases, but it doesn't contribute much to the advancement of knowledge. They stress the importance of theory-based research to ensure findings are not isolated but part of a bigger, more coherent picture. 10 steps for building a theory. To build a strong theory, authors propose a 10-step process. Let's go through it step by step. Start with a problem or observation. The foundation of any theory begins with a question or anomaly that catches your attention. Identify key concepts. This involves selecting the important elements of the phenomena you are studying. Think of potential causes. Consider what factors might be responsible for the key concepts. Think of potential effects. Explore the possible outcomes or consequences of those concepts. Define the concepts theoretically. Specify what the concept means in the theoretical context. Defines concepts operationally. Clearly define how you will measure or observe those concepts. Link concepts with hypotheses. Form hypotheses that connect concepts logically. Justify the hypotheses theoretically. Explain why these hypotheses make sense given the theory. Think in terms of multiple hypotheses. Create alternative hypotheses to provide a broader understanding. Lastly, organize hypotheses in a system. Build a coherent structure or model, like Laswell's famous communication model: who says what, in which channel, to whom, with what effect. By following these steps, theory building becomes more systematic and less reliant on chance discoveries. Evaluating theories. Building a theory is one thing, but how do we evaluate whether it's a good one? This chapter provides several key criteria, including testability, falsifiability, parsimony, and explanatory power. Testability means, Can the theory be tested with measurable concepts? Falsifiability asks, can the theory be proven wrong? Parsimony, is the theory as simple as possible while still being effective? Explanatory power asks, how well does the theory explain the phenomena in question? For example, a theory may have great explanatory power but low predictive power, meaning it can explain what's happening but cannot accurately predict future outcomes. In the behavioral sciences, balancing these criteria is essential. Next, we have constraints on theory building. Of course, theory building isn't always smooth sailing. Shoemaker, Tankard, and Lasorsa outline several constraints that often hold back progress. These include the availability of funding, the difficulty in measuring certain variables, and the trade off between precision and generality. This dilemma, often referred to as the precision versus scope dilemma, suggests that the more general a theory is, the less precise it might be. Conversely, a high specific theory may not apply broadly to other areas. Next, we have strong inference and final thoughts. Shoemaker, Tankard, and Lasorsa also discuss the method of strong inference, a research technique that involves suggesting multiple hypotheses and testing them rigorously to exclude the weaker ones. This process drives research forward, helping to refine theories over time. Finally, the chapter leaves us with a call to action. Researchers need to focus more on theory building, not just data collection. As theories evolve and mature, they offer better insights and more powerful tools for understanding the complexities of social behavior. So we come to the conclusion. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just getting started, remember that the journey of theory building is ongoing. As you continue your own research, keep in mind the criteria for building and evaluating theories. Test, revise, and above all, contribute to the ever growing body of knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown of Shoemaker, Tankard, and Lasorsa's chapter on theory building helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.